Well, hello everyone. I see a few people joining me. I'm just sharing the post, guys. You also please, I request you to please share the link. I see a lot of hearts who all have joined in. Hi Sanghmitra, hi Alka. Just give me a moment, guys. I'll just share the link in my various groups on WhatsApp also. And the broadcast list. Yeah, and I'm done. Okay, hi Swati, hi Malti ji. I'm good, Swati. How are you? How's Dubai? How's the situation there? Looking beautiful, ma'am. Seeing you after a long time. Thank you, Poonam. Hi, Ajita. Hi, Sumedha. Hi, Garima. Hello, Nina. Okay, so yeah, I have come live after a long time, and trust me, guys. Last year I suffered from COVID in October, and since then I don't know what's wrong with me. I really had no inclination left to craft. My brain just stuck. I don't know why I could not make a single envelope. I was like, I tried my level best and I was not able to, and that was the reason last time my dearest friend Anita helped me to launch my dies, which were the January release. I could not do it on my own because I really had no. I thought that the crafting instinct had left me forever. So when this time I designed my dies, thankfully I was able to design though. I really pushed myself so hard that whatsoever, if I do it good, if I do it bad, but I am gonna do this time. I have to craft. I can't just quit because it really gives me a lot of pleasure to craft. And thankfully, after a lot of struggle, I was able to, and I got my mojo back finally, and I really enjoyed it. I really thoroughly enjoyed it. Hi Rekha, hi Deepika. So, I had asked a question yesterday on Instagram, how many dies are we releasing this time? And sadly, I did not get a single answer which is correct. Yeah, I got one answer, but that was cheated because the person already knew that how many dies I'm releasing because I had a word with her yesterday only. Hi Anirudh. Hi Mehak. So you still have time. If you want, I can give you 2 minutes more. You can go to my Instagram page and write the correct answer to win dies, guys. You can comment here also. Yeah, I'm seeing Surbhi has written 5, Sumedha has written 15, Rekha has written 7, Poonam has written 30. There was one person on Instagram who commented that I'm coming up with more than 100 dies. Hi Indu auntie. Vinita 18. Okay, Rekha is saying 8. Deepika is saying 12. Alka is saying 15. 12 from Beena. Rekha is saying 9. Damyanti is saying 20. Sanghamitra is saying 6. Hetal is saying 10. Okay guys, any more guesses? 5, 11, 15, 6. Okay fine, chalo. I'll tell you now. The contest is now over. The contest is over now. So, I'll tell you. Archana, no. 13, no. 10, no. 11, no. We are coming up with 16 dies this time. 16 sets. Dies are much more though. Because many sets have 2 dies. Many sets have 3 dies. Like so. Anirudh, I just announced at 16. Okay? So, no more guessing. Guessing game is over now, guys. Only one person, Pallavi Ladha, has said that I launched 16 dies, but because she knew, yesterday only I spoke to her in the morning and I told her I'm coming up with 16 dies. So it's done now. No one has won for now. No one has won. So let's, I don't know, maybe we'll start some other challenge and you surely winning some dies. I am surely giving away a few dies. Okay guys, so should we start? Should I disclose what? And yes, there is one more announcement for today. I'll be launching my course also using the same dice. There'll be no kit for the course. It is not required. You can just purchase. I'll give you a whole link of whatever is link of the material which I have used in the products, and you can buy it from the store. They're all available. Okay, so there's no kit because this time the stuff I have made, I have not used any glitter sheets. I have just worked only with dies and paper. That's all. I have not used any embellishment other than dies and paper. And as you know, I do not sell die cuts. I do not encourage selling die cuts. So you need to buy dies because आप लोगे die cut लोगे 400 रुपए की डाई है, आप 100 रुपए की डाई कट खरीद लोगे, 300 रुपए और इन्वेस्ट करके डाई ले लो ना यार, क्या फायदा है. ओके एंड मेनी बहुत सारी चीजें होती है जो आप डाई से खुद कर सकते हो, लेकिन डाई कट से आप नहीं कर पाओगे वो चीज. तो आपको डाई ही खरीदनी चाहिए. आई रियली एनकरेज ईच एंड एवरी वन कि आप डाइज ही लो. Okay, so let's get started. I'll just flip my camera and set it to show you the dies one by one and the die cuts also. And then in the end, please join me till the end because my projects will come in the end only. Okay? So just give me a moment. I'll just flip my camera. Let me adjust it for a moment and then I'll join you again. I think this is fine now. Okay. My live has gone somewhere, so I'll just click on the link only. Can I still understand? Okay guys, so first of all I have a few dies which were out of stock from the store since long time. Because of the lockdown we were not able to refresh them, so I have those dies with me to refresh. Okay, so the dies which we have restocked recently in the store are Decorative Accent 1, Decorative Accent 2. The dies which we have restocked just a moment in the store are Decorative Accent 2, and I am not able to see your comments now, but okay. Hi Lina, hi Rani. Then we have Floral Fillers 2, Victorian Lace Topper, we have Venetian Lace Flap, we have Swirl Lace. This is the 5th time I have restocked this die, you know. This is the 4th time I have restocked this die. This is double stitch circle. These are very very versatile dies, my double stitch dies. I'll just show you in a moment how. Just stay with me. Okay, and this is double stitch squares. These all dies are restock and they are live on website, so you can place your orders for these dies as well, along with the new release which I am just about to tell you. So okay girls and guys, sorry, this is my first one for today. This is Jai Shri Krishna die. This Tulsi trend had really started, this quote Jai Shri Krishna, जब वो program आता था. तो अभी काफ़ी ज़्यादा यूज़ होता है. आई हैव सीन इट इज़ इन ट्रेंड राइट नाउ. सो दिस इज़ माई जय श्री कृष्णा वर्ड डाई. Okay, and this is, along with this, it is not just a word. We are giving up a bansuri with the peacock feather. Beautiful Krishna ka bansuri and feather in this Krishna. So this is the die which we have launched this time. You will get 2 of the covers and 2 dies. This is the word Jai Shri Krishna die, and this is the cover of the die. Okay, so 2 of these and 2 of these. This is the cover and this is the die. So my dies, there is a speciality always that you always get a cover. I really make sure that you get the covers to all the dies. It really adds a lot of depth and, you know, dimension to the dies. So, and I have priced my dies very, very economically. These dies are not very expensive. You're getting 4 dies, and I'll just tell you the pricing in the end. So this is the word. Okay, so this is one. I'll just remove it from here, otherwise it will be very chaotic later on. Sarah, can you come here and help me out? Just fill this. Okay. Okay, second, this is my favorite die. This is Haathon Mein Haath, Hand in Hand, and Hardik Abhinandan. It is a combo of 2 dies again. You'll get 4 dies, two main dies and 2. Look at this. See how intricate this is. Okay, and look at this. Can you see the intricacy of the die? And then there is Hardik Abhinandan. There are 2 separate words. You can use them together. You can use them separate. It all depends on you. So here, I have made the cover to use them like this, but the cover can be easily separated as well by just cutting a little bit. So this is Hardik Abhinandan. And hands, hand in hand. So this is the die. I hope you're liking it. I'm not getting any hearts. You are all just engrossed in the video now. Keep the hearts going, guys. Keep the thumbs up going. You're not liking it either. Sarah, can you just put them here? This is the second one. Now the third. Third is a Ganpati with Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. I'll just show you. Here you'll getting 4 dies again. This is the cover, and this again is a very beautiful shape of cover. See, and in between you get your Ganpati like this. You can, you know, use it like this or this. Thank you. Okay, and here is Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. It's a very versatile word. हमें सबको सबसे पहले we pray for Lord Ganpati for any occasion whatsoever. कुछ भी होता है सबसे पहले गणेश पूजा होती है. हमारे हर कार्ड पे, हर उस पे श्री गणेशाय नमः तो होता ही है. So just imagine how much we can use these dies. It's a beautiful setting also, Shri Ganeshaya Namah. It's a single piece. You can combine it. You can use it like this. You can, you know, cut them apart. Use them like that. Thank you, Arjita. Thank you, Nina. So this is another one, Shri Ganeshaya Namah. Again, you are getting 4 dies. So, Sarah. Okay, my favorite personally, Shubh Vivah. It's such a beautiful die. If you can just see, there is the word Shubh and there is a man and a woman, bride and groom standing. The bride is sitting and the groom is I think या तो वो मांग भरा नहीं, I think वो मंगलसूत्र पहना रहा है. He's making her wear her mangalsutra. So it is a set of 2 dies only. Look at this. How beautiful is this? This is my favorite die, very favorite of mine. A lot of thought process has gone in these dies, the sizing and everything. 2 dies you will get covered in that. Thank you. This is Shubh Vivah. You can use it as is. You can use it with the cover. Depends on you entirely. Look at this. Thank you, Garima. Okay. So this is one more. Now, how many dies have we gone through? 4 rolls. This is the 5th one. This is Hardik Shubhkamnaएं with the smaller version of Ganesh Ji here. This size is very cute. Very, very cute. This is the size. This is the Ganpati. You can remove the eyes here and look at this. It's such a cute die. And with this, we have Hardik Shubhkamnaएं. Look at this. I'll just show you with the cover. See, Shubhkamnaएं and see. How pretty is this? This thing now I have extended. There are 3 dots in the die. I'll just show you. I haven't used them here, but here it is. You can cut it apart or you can use it like that. It just keeps the thing going. Okay? So this is another one. Sarah, can you come here? Just sort this out, beta. Okay, so now let's start on with our covers. Laces. You know my laces are very famous here and everyone knows how much I love them. And so this time again I have come out with 4 laces. So this is the one. This is Deco Art border. It's a very nice border. Look at this. Very intricate. See. And a lot can be done with this. Trust me guys, a lot. It is not just a plain border. You can do so much with this. I have yet to play with these because my distraction was somewhere else this time when I was working with dies. I have used it though in 1 or 2 projects, but I have not done justice to it till now. Look at this. How is it? So this is the border, first border. Then again it will come with the cover only, okay? And the borders are priced at 650 as always. This is the second border. This is my favorite. So in this border you are getting 2 dies actually. As a cover also what you are getting is you can use it as a scallop die on its own. See. So this is the cover of the die. I love to make this die because of this only. This is the cover and this is a scallop. You can use it anywhere as a scallop die. So you're getting 2 dies actually. You're getting a scallop border and a normal border like so. And you know how versatile scallops are. They are always, you know, like you can make water out of them. You can make so many things out of them. And this is not very thick, so This size is really, you know, very easy to use also. So this is the second border. This is GOR dot border. Again 650 rupees for 2 dies. And my dies are always very lengthy. These are like around 8.5 inches in length. I must have written it 8.1 inches exactly. So this is another one. Okay, one more. My favorite. I'm saying everything my favorite obviously because I have designed them. They're all my favorites. This is the opulent with cover. Opulent lace with cover. Thank you, Ritu. Again, look at this. How beautiful this is. Very, very pretty. And so you get 2 dies again with the cover and the lace. And this is again 650 rupees. And yes, new launch is here. So you have a discount code. You can use June 2021 on all orders of Decam brand above 3000 rupees. So anything in Decam brand category, you put your cart, you fill your cart up till 3000, and after 3000 only the discount is valid and you get an extra 10% off. There is also a combo offer which is already 5% discounted, and then again on top of that you can get a 10% off. And now to my favorite border this time. This is a border or a decorative accent, I am not really sure, but this is decorative accent border with cover. And it is again a very, very pretty die. Very pretty die cut. This is the cover, this is the border. And this is my favorite this time. I'm loving to use this. Look at this. I'll just show you on the blue background actually. It is more clear like that. See how beautiful is this. This is not the stitching line, these are actually cuts in the die. This is a very intricate die, very pretty. And trust me guys, it cuts like butter. If you want, I can show you cutting these dies in a separate video, of course, not today. But if you want, I can show you how to cut the dies. It's a very, very pretty die. Okay. So these are our 4 borders. Then next comes the belly band. Yes, this time I have a belly band die. It's a beautiful, beautiful die. Look at this. Again, this is a set of 3 dies actually. This is the cover, the die, and I have a smaller circle inside also, which can act as a, you know, separate, if you want to add a sentiment or something on that. So that can be used. And look at this. Look how beautiful this is. It's a very pretty die, very, very pretty, very intricate, very pretty. And there are circles inside. These are the circles, cutouts. So here is the die. Yeah, I'm getting a lot of hearts. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Thank you, Anirudh. So this is our, I don't know, I have lost the number. How many dies have we gone through?
4 borders,
4 borders and 5 उसके पहले 5 so 9 हो गई. I think 9 are done. So next is Adorn It flap die. This is the die. It's a beautiful flap. You can use it as a flap, you can use it as a, you know, fold over cover, something like that for a card. So this is the die. Look at this. And I have given you a cover as well. पहले शुरू में when I had come out with the flap die, I did not give a cover. But now I make sure that I give a cover. It is always very helpful. Kiranji, Kavita, the quiz is over. I have already disclosed. Okay, we have come up with 12, 11 dies. That's what you're saying. Thank you. So how's this, guys? How's this? I just love this. I have used it in a very good way. Different way, actually. I'll show you later. Okay, Sarah. So next is, this is very intricate. I look at this, guys. Very intricate. And this die is the only die which has no cover with this. See, these are 4 corners. But instead of, getting them as a corner, what I decided was to combine them with a line. And if we want, we can use it as a cover. So it is combined. Or we can cut it apart and use it as corners. Hey, Sarah helping mommy today. Yeah. Sarah's helping. Sarah's a big girl now. She's in college. 2nd year almost now. So this is the slimline double stitched rectangle. Charming corners envelope topper die. This is the charming corners envelope topper die. Okay. Now there are 2 of my very favorite dies. As I told you, we have come up with a double stitched slimline dies. Guys, this die is the most versatile die if you are into making slimline cards or envelopes or whatever. Now, earlier I used to call them my envelope dies, but now international crafters, they are coming up with a new term, slimline. So I also rechanged slimline. Okay, let it be. But we have been using this size since I think past 3-4 years now. My envelope sizes. Yeah? Anyone agree with me? The code is June 2021. So these are the dies, and I'll show you the versatility of these dies. You can create a border this broad. You can just create a normal simple flap inside. You can come up with a cover pura ka pura. You can make a patla border out of this. The possibilities are really endless with this die, guys. Look at this again, and super nice. Cuts like butter, no harm at all. This die is a must buy for everyone. So many possibilities. पतला कर लो 1/4 इंच तक approximately आपका. Yeah, it is 1/4 of an inch. 1/4 of an inch तक आ जाएगा, and double stitched. It looks very beautiful, very clean. Okay, and then उसके बाद अगर आपको मोटा करना है, you can, मैंने यहाँ पे 1 डाई बीच का छोड़ा है, आप और थोड़ा छोड़ दो, 1 और डाई छोड़ दो, तो you get इससे भी मोटा, 1/2 inch, 1 inch, कितना भी, whatever you want. Like if you are cutting, I'll just show you once. What I did was, when I want 1/4 inch, 1/4 inch of a border, I pass these 2 dies in my die cutting machine like so. I attach it with the tape and I pass it. If I want a broader border, I'll just remove this die and I'll add this one, and I get a broader border for my die. Look at this. इससे भी मोटा चाहिए, इसको भी हटा दो, इसको रख लो बीच में, आपको 3/4 इंच का बॉर्डर मिल जाएगा. So it all depends on you. It is very versatile, very very versatile, and I have played so much with these dies. This is one. I'll just remove this from side. Sarah, can you help me out with this, baby? Okay, this is gone, and then there is another one. Hexagons. These are my favorite, absolute favorite. And as you all know, many of you are aware, my sizes are not small. The dies, the largest size is approximately 5 by 5. Okay, सो 5.5 इंच का है ये पहला वाला साइज. It is a very good size. Then the second one is approximately the first one is 5.5. The second one, first one is 6 approximately. Yeah, it is 6. मैंने गलत छपवा दिया. Okay, and here are some things which I have done with these. These are lots of them. Look again. I have come up with this. Then I have come up with this. Patla, mota. You can just mix and match and you can create. Possibilities are genuinely endless, guys. Seriously. I have been playing with this a lot. Look at this. So much you can do out of these. So if you join my course, I will be coming up with 2 or 3 extra elements as I always do. कुछ भी extra मेरे course में होता ही होता है. तो maybe we can one day we can just sit and play with these hexagons, and I'll show you how versatile this can be. So this is another one, and now I think we have come up with already 14 dies are gone. So 2 are left. Only 2 dies are left now. This is my most favorite die. One of my most favorite dies. It is such a versatile die. It is a set of 3 dies. I'll just show you. 1, 2 and 3. So you get the cover, main cover. Then you get the inside die. And then you get another inside cover which you can you cut apart or use it as it is. I'll just show you all the variations. This is the border. This is the one I have cut apart from the center also, and इसमें मैंने ये सेंटर पीस भी निकाला है, and मेरा ये एक ऑप्शन है. Then इसमें I have kept my center piece attached. Look at this. I have kept my centerpiece attached in this. You can use another centerpiece like so and use it like this in 3 colors. So possibilities बहुत सारी हैं इसमें भी. And one more option is there. इसका भी centerpiece जो cover है, cover का भी center आप काट सकते हो, जैसे मैंने इसमें किया हुआ है. See, ये cover था, इसका मैंने center से इसको इस वाली die से अलग किया हुआ है. I have cut it out, and which gives me an option to make something like this. See? So this is another one. This is very, very versatile die, very beautiful die, and it is only for 600 rupees for 3 dies. And last but not the least, as I like to call it, it is my all-in-one die. This is the most beautiful die I have ever designed. Look at this. This is a fold over die, and it comes in it is a set of I think 9 dies, and the center is not empty. I have given you just a few filler flowers to play with so that you can really use this die. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then there is a square 6. Then this 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 dies in this, guys. 9 dies, and the die is approximately how much? It is 6 by 6, approximately 5.9 by 6. That is the size of the die, and it is a fold over die. I'll just show you. First of all, you get a cover like this. ये जो बाहर का सिर्फ आउटर पार्ट है, इसको आप मैं एक बार निकालती हूँ सारी अलग अलग करूँगी. दिस इज द आउटर पार्ट. इसको सिर्फ काटोगे ये कवर मिलेगा. देन इसके सबके ये कॉर्नर्स हैं. अगर ये कॉर्नर रख के काटोगे तो इट विल बिकम समथिंग लाइक दिस. मैंने इसका स्क्वायर भी सेंटर से काटा है. यू वांट टू कट इट, यू डोंट वांट टू कट इट, इट इज ऑल अप टू यू. देन देयर इज अ स्क्वायर डाई इन दिस, जो इसको इट विल कट इट अपार्ट. ये स्क्वायर निकल जाएगा जैसे मैंने किया हुआ है. इसमें से यहाँ पे रख के काटोगे ये स्क्वायर निकल जाएगा. नहीं निकालना स्क्वायर, इसको रख के काटो सिर्फ. सो इसमें व्हाट यू विल गेट इज समथिंग लाइक दिस inside. You cut it apart, you don't cut it apart, it is all up to you. The die is very versatile, very versatile. I have played like crazy with this die. Look at this. This cuts in between paper. This I have created. Just a sample to show you guys. Another sample. The possibilities are really endless to play with this die. You can do so much out of this. Look at this. And you get सर वहाँ पे ना एक बोल रखा है किचन के उस पर जिसमें फ्लावर्स पड़े हैं, वो लेकर आना. ये एक डाई मैंने बनवाई है साथ में बिकॉज द सेंटर वॉज गोइंग वेस्ट एंड आई डिड नॉट वॉन्ट टू वेस्ट एनी space here. So I just got these filler flowers done in this. So you can use them in your projects, various projects. I'll just show you the shape. Here it is. And here is one I have just made as a sample. I was not able to make a lot because I was very concentrated in making my roses. तो ये तो मैंने ज़्यादा नहीं बनाए अभी, बट आई विल श्योरली मेक दीज आर वेरी वर्सेटाइल. दीज बहुत ज़्यादा यूज़ होते हैं. ये छोटे छोटे से अलग अलग कलर्स में बना के रख लो ना, बहुत अच्छे से यूज़ होते हैं प्रोजेक्ट्स में. दिस इज़ अ बिट एक्सपेंसिव डाई बिकॉज देर आर the size is pretty big and there is a lot going on in here, so it costed a bit. So this die is for 2000 rupees, but for 3 days you can get it on 10% off, which is 1800 rupees only if you order above 3000 rupees from Decam brand. Okay, the code is valid only on Decam brand, guys. सो हो ही जाएगा यार इतने का. तो टोटल कॉस्ट जो आ रही है इन डाइज की 11,850 रुपये आ रही है मेरे ख्याल से, 13 डाइज की मिला के. सो दिस इज द डाई. एंड नाउ शो मी सम हार्ट्स. हाउ आर दीज? ऑल द डाइज आर गॉन नाउ. शो मी सम हार्ट्स गाइज. डिड यू एंजॉय इट? डिड यू एंजॉय इट? Yeah, I'm seeing a few hearts now. Alka, you have added in your cart. Good. Okay, all the products are already live now. And this time only dies, guys. Nothing more. I am not doing anything more this time. Only dies. I really worked a lot, very hard. And I'll just share the pricing also and I'll give you a glance of dies again. So this is the first die, Shri Ganeshaya Namaha. This is for 500 rupees. 4 dies. Okay. Shubh Vivaha, 350 rupees. 2 dies. Decorative accents 8, third die, 600 rupees, 3 dies. Okay, the size, the pricing depends on size and whatever pricing I had to pay for these. Okay, so now the third one is Hardik Abhinandan, which is 550 rupees, 4 dies. Hardik Shubhkamnaएं 450 rupees, 6 dies. Okay, then this one is 4 dies again. Jai Shri Krishna, 550 rupees. Okay guys, this die was also restocked. This is the floral envelope flap die which I had used in my earlier course. So this die is also restocked. Opulent lace die, 650 rupees. Ornate belly band, 750 rupees. Adornate flap die, 850 rupees. Look at the size of the dies, guys, and trust me, this is a steal at this price. Look at this die. This is 3.7 by 7.4. The size of my envelope. It really, adheres very well on the envelope. It is 550 rupees only. Then again, geodot border with cover. This is 650 rupees. Favorite die of mine. Decorative accent border with cover. It is a very versatile die, guys. This is 650 rupees. Borders are all 650. This die is 1100 rupees. Thank you, Poonam. Okay, this die is 1100 rupees. This die is 1000 rupees. And the last but not the least, this die I have named it wrong. I should have named it all in one die. This one die has square. This one die has corners. This one die has triangle. This one die has flowers. It is an all in one die. Okay, so this is 2000 rupees, and above 3000 if you order, you get नई पुरानी कोई भी डाइज, कोई भी पेपर फ्रॉम डीकैम ब्रांड, यू गेट अ 10% फ्लैट ऑफ. अगर आप पूरा का पूरा कॉम्बो 11 डाई का वो लेते हो आप, तो ऑलरेडी इट इज डिस्काउंटेड टू 11,200 इंस्टेड ऑफ 11,850. एंड उसके ऊपर आपको फिर और 10% डिस्काउंट मिल जाएगा. So it is always better to go for the entire collection at once. I know it is difficult though to. Sarah. Okay, now my pitara comes of my projects. You all are excited? Show me some love. Here is the first envelope. Second. Third. Fourth. Fifth. Sixth. Seventh. Eighth. Ninth. 10. This is not all. There is much more. Okay. Look at this. Sorry, इसमें थोड़ा सा die cuts पड़े हुए हैं मेरे पुराने. This is a box. Actually, this can, I'm just thinking I will close it down with a ribbon or something on top, so that the content remains secure. But it's beautiful. And it's a very good size. It is approximately 5 inches by 8.5 inches. Okay. Now I have a few more. Look at these. Look at this. Thanks, Anita. Then I have a set. I have created this beautiful basket. If you can see, it's a very big size of basket. Look at this. It's pretty big. Just let me zoom out a little so you can have a better look. See. And along with this, I have created a matching envelope also to go by its side. Okay. So these are all part of the course which I will be doing. And then last but not the least, look at this. This is a box. See? So now for the course details. I have shown you all the projects. There are in all 17 projects so far. Okay, 3 baskets, 2 baskets, 1 box. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. There are 17 so far. Okay. तो 17 तो हो गए हैं, तो हम लोग 20 तक तो आराम से स्ट्रेच कर ही लेंगे जब कोर्स करेंगे. Because as I said, I will be including. Now let me just flip the camera again and let me show you my face, and let's interact a bit for the course. Let's just do that. Okay. Just let me, Okay, guys. Yeah. Now it's fine. So the course. Who all are interested in the course? course will be for 20 items approximately, not 17 are for sure. ऊपर नीचे 2-3 तो हो ही जाएगा, मुझे लगता है नीचे नहीं होगा ऊपर ही होगा, 3 तो हो ही जाएगा. तो 20 items, the course is for 2000 rupees only. There is no kit available. You need to buy the dyes, you need to buy, and there will be a tutorial of a flower as well. ये जो रोज फ्लावर्स हमने सारे यूज करे हैं, ये सारे रोज फ्लावर्स भी सुनिधि चौहान, ये भगवान मुझे नहीं पता था ये. I asked you to enroll me in time already. Thank you, Anirudh. Yeah, I know you are enrolling. Okay, guys. So the course fee is 2000 rupees only for 20 approximate projects. 18-19 तो पक्का है, 20 भी मैं most probably करा ही दूंगी, हो ही जाएंगे 20 तो. 20 projects, okay done. See, तो 20 projects हम लोग करेंगे, जिसमें एक बॉक्स है, 2 बास्केट है, एंड बाकी के एनवेलप्स हैं. 13 एनवेलप्स हो गए, नहीं 17 एनवेलप्स हो गए, सॉरी 17 एनवेलप्स हो गए. तो डिस्काउंट आपका चल ही रहा है, कोर्स पे अब कोई डिस्काउंट नहीं है. हाँ, अगर एंड शेयर करो, लाइक करो, कमेंट करो, गिव मी अ नाइस इंस्पिरेशनल कमेंट अबाउट टुडेज वीडियो एंड आई विल पिक अप अ विनर. अच्छा कमेंट चाहिए मुझे, लाइक जो मुझे इंस्पायर करे कुछ और बनाने के लिए, कुछ और करने के लिए आप लोगों के लिए. So give me a nice comment if you like me, of course. If you don't like it, give me a harsh comment also. I am really ready to take that also from you because I really need to grow. Roses सीखने हैं अनीता, sure. And I can vouch for this, guys. Trust me. These are the easiest flowers you can ever make. These are the easiest of the flowers. एक बार दोबारा से दिखा देती हूँ, देखो. They come out really very beautiful. मेरी ही डाई है जिससे मैंने बनाए हैं ये फ्लावर्स, एंड ये सबसे इजी फ्लावर्स हैं आपके लिए बनाने के लिए. सच बता रही हूँ, एक फ्लावर में, बड़े से बड़ा फ्लावर में 3-4 मिनट से ज्यादा नहीं लगता, उतना भी नहीं लगता. मेरा तो हाथ अब बहुत सेट हो गया है, तो मतलब आई रियली टेक हार्डली 1 or 2 minutes टू मेक अ फ्लावर. एंड पेपर की कोई कंस्ट्रेंट नहीं है, आपके पास जो पेपर है अवेलेबल घर में, कलर्ड पेपर, व्हाइट पेपर, जो भी पेपर है. 300 GSM है, 300 GSM से बनेगा, आराम से बनेगा, बहुत अच्छा बनेगा, इनफैक्ट बहुत स्टडी बनेगा. सो फ्लावर एक हो गया. अच्छा, फ्लावर भी तो हमारा एक प्रोजेक्ट है, इसमें 20 तो हो ही गए. One color is eye catching. Thank you. Another, without the kit it is difficult. ना, no Anuradha, it is not difficult because पेपर से ही बना है ना सब कुछ. सब कुछ तो पेपर से बना है. क्या करना है किट का? पेपर खरीद लो, डाई खरीद लो, डाई कट करो. Show the projects. Joined late. Okay, I'll show the projects once again. What are you saying? Stimulating magical fabulous video. Love the basket. Thank you, Kavita. Okay, fine. Last time I'm showing the projects again. Basket number 1. Basket number 2. Box. Then बॉक्स का मैचिंग एनवेलप, बास्केट का मैचिंग एनवेलप, तीसरी बास्केट का मैचिंग एनवेलप. मैं जब भी आती हूँ हिला देती हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच, थैंक यू सो मच अर्चना. I'll give you all the details if you join the course, Priyanka. Even if you don't join the course, I'll post all the details with the links and everything. Thank you. And yeah, these two also. So these are all, in all we will be making 20 projects, guys, जिसमें एक रोज भी है. रोज बनाना भी हम लोग सीखेंगे. 20 प्रोजेक्ट्स होंगे, रोज होगा, एंड फ्रॉम स्क्रैच पेपर्स चाहिएंगे आपको फॉर श्योर, एंड डाइस चाहिएंगी कटिंग के लिए. उसके अलावा आई हार्डली यूज एनीथिंग. हाँ, एक आधा क्रिटर शीट मैंने यूज करी है बीच में कहीं कहीं पे फिलर्स देने के लिए. वो मैं आपके लिए बता दूंगी आपको कौन सी है. Thank you, Anita. Okay, guys, I think we are done for now today. So I hope you like the video. I hope you like my dies. Go ahead. The coupon code is live. The dies are live on the website. Go place your order. I'll again tell you. The coupon code is June 2021. June 2021, all caps. Okay, and you need to add at least a value of 3,000 rupees from the Decam brand category in your cart, and then only the coupon will be activated. Otherwise it will not be activated. It will show you कि it is not valid or something. So the contest for today is, give me your love, give me your feedback, good or bad. Write a beautiful comment. Even if it is bad, it should be beautiful. Okay, so give me your love, and I will choose three winners, and they will receive one die each from me. If the die is very small, they'll receive 2 dies. Okay, so thank you guys for joining me. Please repeat the coupon code. Coupon code is June 2021. JUNE, June 2021, and it is all caps. वेबसाइट पे बैनर बना दिया है, लगा दिया है, उसमें कूपन कोड लिखा है. अभी ये बैनर मैं अपनी डाइकिट्स एंड मोर पेज पे और ग्रुप पे भी अपडेट कर दूंगी, एंड पोस्ट में भी शेयर कर दूंगी. उसमें कूपन कोड लिखा है. एंड कोर्स का डिटेल्स मैं अभी थोड़ी देर में डाल दूंगी. ठीक है, जो पहले 10 लोग ज्वाइन करेंगे उनको फ्री क्रिटर शीट भी भेजूंगी जो मैंने यूज करी है. द फर्स्ट 10 people who join the course, they will get critter sheets which I have used in the course for free, along with the dies if they are purchasing, for sure. The first 10 people who join. Anirudh, you are getting that. You have already joined. So personally message कर दो if you are joining the course. The course is only for 2,000 rupees, guys. It is a steal deal. 100 रुपए में एक प्रोजेक्ट कौन सिखाता है? ऊपर से फूल भी सिखा रही हूँ. Okay. So I want a lot of you to join in. That is the only reason I am keeping my course fee so low. So my students do not have to go to others कि आप करा दो वो बहुत महंगा कराती है. I don't want that. Come to me directly. Join me directly. There are a lot of tips and tricks which I include when I'm teaching. Thank you so much, Rekha. Okay guys, so see you then. Bye bye. Take care. Bye. And stay safe, stay healthy, all of you. Bye.